Egypt. Egypt lies primarily between latitudes 22 degrees and 32 degrees north and longitudes 25 degrees and 35 degrees east. It is also the 30th largest country in the world. It is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea, the Gulf of Suez, the Gulf of Aqaba, and the Red Sea. It has the landmass of 1,001,499 kilometers. Most portion of Egypt is desert. It has four major regions: Nile Valley and Delta, Western Desert or Libyan Desert, Eastern Desert, and Sinai Peninsula. Egypt has two seasons, and they are mild winter from November to April and a hot summer from May to October. In the coastal regions, temperatures range between an average minimum of 14 Celsius in winter and an average maximum of 30 Celsius in summer. Temperatures vary widely in the inland deserts. In the summer, they may range from 7 Celsius at night to 43 Celsius during the day, while during winter temperatures in the desert fluctuate less dramatically. They can be as low as 0 Celsius at night and as high as 18 Celsius during the day. Even though plants cannot survive in the western desert, the coastal stream in the Nile Delta has a rich plant life in spring. Only few trees can be found in Egypt due to the lack of water needed to support big trees. Papyrus plants used as paper by Egyptians are very common in Egypt. It grows wild all over the Nile River Valley. They grow flowers in their gardens among shady trees and around little artificial ponds. Egypt's national flower is the lotus. The camel's hump are fatty deposits that provide energy when food is scarce. The smallest of the Egyptian wildcat are the sandcats. They normally have a length of 66 to 83 centimeters and with a tail ranging between 23 and 33 centimeters. Leopards are the largest cats that can be found in Egypt. Nile crocodiles are common in Nile River, and most of the Egyptian snakes are harmless. Reminders. Carry a copy of your passport, visas, travel, and other important documents. Modesty in clothing should be observed. Women should cover their arms when visiting mosques. Bring comfortable walking shoes for sightseeing and walking on desert sand. Sneakers are needed and no open sandals as it is sandy. No shorts in the cities. And women should never wear sleeveless blouses or shorts at any time. Things to bring. Important documents such as passports and visas, water jug, camera, comfortable walking shoes, medications, sunscreen and moisturizers, handkerchiefs and tissues, insect repellent, hand sanitizers and/or wipes, sunglasses, sun hat or umbrella, and power adapters. What to wear? Light-colored shirts and pants are a must because light color allow our skin to breathe easier and lessen the heat.